Ever wondered why strata communities have so many rules? Hi everyone, I'm Talia from StrataGuide, here to share quick strata insights that make community living easier to understand. Strata bylaws are the rules that help manage day-to-day living in a shared property. They're designed to prevent disputes and keep everything running fairly for all residents. They typically cover key areas like noise restrictions, parking rules, pet ownership, use of balconies and common areas, renovations inside units, and proper disposal of waste. These rules also help protect shared facilities and ensure safety and cleanliness across the building. When everyone follows the bylaws, it reduces misunderstandings and helps maintain harmony in the community. Follow StrataGuide for more simple, practical strata tips and insights. That's all for today's Strata Insight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Let's Talk Strata.